Hey freelancers, mobile app bugs losing you gigs? Client texting you at midnight, app keeps crashing. Sound familiar? Don't sweat it. AiToolslink's got 6 AI tools to help you debug mobile apps fast, keep your reputation strong, and your clients coming back for more. You hustle hard, we'll show you the tech to back it up. Let's dive in. Tool 1, Bugsnag. AI. Feature, Crash Analytics, plus AI-powered diagnostics. Benefit, fixes crashes faster. Happier clients, less stress. Bugsnag AI is like having a 24/7 bug detective in your toolbox. It doesn't just tell you your app crashed, it shows you why, exactly where in the code, and even groups related errors using machine learning. Freelancer James used Bugsnag to squash a payment crash bug before the client noticed it. That's how you go from freelancer to superstar dev. Want to debug smarter, not harder? Bugsnag's your guy. Tool 2, GitHub Copilot. Feature, AI pair programmer. Benefit, writes and fixes code with you. Saves hours. We all know GitHub Copilot, but for mobile app debugging, it's next level. Say you're working with Flutter and you can't figure out why the UI is breaking. Copilot will scan your code and suggest instant fixes, even rewriting the problematic functions. Freelancer Priya shaved off 3 hours on a bug that used to drain her weekends. She told the client, fixed it, and they hired her again, twice. Copilot isn't just AI, it's your co-founder when bugs attack. Tool 3, Firebase Crashlytics. Feature, real-time crash reporting. Benefit, live bug data. Rapid response tool. 3 is Clutch. Firebase Crashlytics gives you live crash reports from your users' devices. It pinpoints the exact line of code that caused the failure, so you can patch it before the next user rage quits. Alex, a React Native freelancer, used Crashlytics to fix a login crash during a live launch. Client messaged, "You saved us." That's what Crashlytics does. It saves the day. Time is money. Crashlytics makes sure you waste neither. Tool 4, Codium AI. Feature, AI test generator and bug finder. Benefit, fewer bugs, cleaner launches. Don't miss Tool 4. Codium AI writes tests before bugs happen. This tool scans your code and generates smart unit tests, catching silent bugs you'd never see until launch day. Freelancer Nina used it on a food delivery app. Pre-launch, Codium caught an edge case, bug with time zones, saving her from a major review disaster. Want to look like a genius in front of your clients? Codium AI makes it happen. Tool 5, Instabug AI Assistant. Feature, in-app bug reporting and AI insights. Benefit, users tell you the problem. AI explains it. With Instabug AI, users can report bugs with a shake of their phone. You get screenshots, device logs, and AI summaries that decode vague "it's broken" messages into actual dev info. Freelancer Dev used Instabug for a beta test. A user reported a crash, and Instabug pinpointed the issue, a memory leak in a third-party SDK. The client? Blown away. Let the AI read between the lines, so you can focus on the fix. Tool 6, Sentry AI for mobile. Feature, performance plus error. Monitoring benefit, optimizes app flow. Smoother user experience. Sentry AI is like your personal performance coach for mobile apps. It watches every tap, swipe, and crash, and tells you what's laggy, broken, or just plain weird. Freelancer Leo used Sentry to fix a scrolling bug in an e-commerce app. Conversion rate went up. Client said, "Let's build the next app together." Real performance. Real profit. That's the Sentry Edge. There you go. 6 powerful AI tools to crush bugs, speed up your workflow, and impress every client that comes your way. Which tool are you trying first? Comment your wildest bug fix stories below. We love hearing from the Hustle Squad. Thanks for watching AiToolsLink. If you got value today, hit that subscribe button. We've got more dev tools, faster fixes, and freelance wins coming your way. Until next time, keep coding, keep crushing.